Another hard StrataScratch problem, sales growth per territory, and this is a hard level interview question from Amazon and Shopify, but this question can be done by any company because any company is going to analyze their sales growth, especially by territory ID. This is going to be the final, what the final looks like, and as you can see, territory 3 had the most growth. In order to solve this problem, we're going to have to first join these two tables. This is what the first main table looks like, and we're going to have to join by customer ID. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to have to do is select the territory ID from the map. So let's do that. And we're going to call this T down here. So we're going to have to do from sales, enter join here T on or using customer ID. And let's make sure this runs with no errors. And it doesn't. That's exactly what we want. The next thing we're going to have to do is get the order value, because we're going to have to sum this. So order value, and we're going to have to get the sum of this. We need to get all the sales. So we're going to call this as total sales group by territory ID right here. Here we go. And that's exactly what we want down here. The next thing we're going to have to do is put in a where claim statement. So where the year of the order date is equal to 2021, and we're going to have to extract the quarter. So the quarter order date, quarter from order date is equal to 3. And there we go. This is exactly what we want, the sales by quarter 3. Next thing we're going to have to do is save this as a quarter 3 report like that. And we're going to have to make a second one, quarter 4. The exact same thing, except this is going to be quarter 4. And let's actually change this now. We want quarter 4 sales. We want it to be very specific, and we don't want them to be the exact same name. Quarter 3 total sales. Well, let's call it sales. The next thing we have to do is select all from quarter 3 just to make sure that this works, and we can see that there is an error. Quarter 3 as here, we have a comma here. Group by territory, SQL. Oh, I misspelled select. Wow. Select all from territory 3, except we're going to want the territory ID. Territory ID from quarter 3. And we need to put the Q3 in front of this, and the Q3 dot Q3 sales. And then we're going to have to do an inner join Q4 using the territory ID. We're joining this. These two queries are complex queries that are summarized very quickly and you can speed up the runtime if we were using large data, and we're going to join them together by the territory ID. So quarter 4 dot Q4 sales. Here we go. And this is what the final results are going to look like, except in the instructions, they want it to look like this. They want the expected output with the sales growth like this. And in order to get that, we have to do the previous year minus here divided by this times 100. And this is going to be as sales growth. And let's put this in parentheses and run the query. And we got it right. This is now solved. As you can see, it's all green. Territory 3 was best at 67%. Territory 4 is this much. And this is a good way to correctly identify the sales territory. It only took 22 lines of code. If you have any questions, please post in the comment section. Thanks for watching.